One of the things I hear here in Japan is, I can't wear a kimono by myself. Now that's not actually quite true. Let me explain why. So the question, can you wear a kimono by yourself? The answer to this question is yes, you can. Let's look at why. So there's a difference between wearing a kimono and putting on a kimono. So the question, can you put on a kimono by yourself? Many people would answer this question with, no, I can't. I need help. Okay. Now let's look at these two different states. The first state is not wearing a kimono. Don't have a kimono on. The next state is wearing a kimono. If we look at these two states side by side, you can see that no kimono exists in this state and wearing a kimono exists in this state. Now between these two states, we need some action, and that action is putting on a kimono. Now, this is what most people need help with. They don't need help with wearing the kimono, they need help with putting on the kimono. Okay, if we go a little bit further, the person is still putting on a kimono. They still need help. Okay? At this point, you have finished putting on the kimono. At this point, you are now wearing the kimono. Okay? And this box tells us, from this point on, you are wearing a kimono. You can now do it by yourself. You don't need any help from this point on. Okay? So if we look at the two states again, first of all, no kimono, wearing a kimono, and no kimono. Okay? So from this point of no kimono to wearing a kimono, you need help putting it on. But once it's on, you don't need any more help. And I guess most people won't need any help taking it off either. And this is taking off the kimono. Okay, we can see here these three ladies are all wearing a kimono by themselves. They don't need any help at this point. Perhaps getting to this point, they needed help, but now they can do it by themselves. So, hopefully, the next person who asks you, can you wear a kimono by yourself? You'll answer, yes, I can. Thank you. Bye.